Hello everybody, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to show you how to make Tilke Laddu. This is made on the occasion of Makar Shankranti. So here's wishing all our viewers a very happy Makar Shankranti from Desilicious Kitchen. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Press the bell icon for notifications. So let's see how to make this. We have used 250 milliliter as 1 cup, but you can use any cup. We've taken 3/4 cup white sesame seeds, half cup peanuts or moongfali, 1 cup jaggery or good, 1 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter, about 5 to 6 cashew nuts broken, these are optional, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder. You can have a look at all the contents once again. So now we have heated a pan and added white sesame seeds. On a very low flame, we have to continuously roast the sesame seeds until they start crackling. So this is how we want our sesame seeds to be. Stir continuously on a low flame without burning them and let them cool now. And in the same pan, we have added peanuts. Again, we are going to stir on a low flame until the peanuts turn crispy and golden brown in color. This is how we want the peanuts. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to remove just 1/4 of the total sesame seeds and and peanuts that we have roasted and transfer that 1/4 portion to a mixer jar. Let this cool and then we will be grinding them. So in the same pan now, we have heated ghee. We have broken the cashew nuts and now we are going to roast them until they turn golden brown in color. Our cashew nuts are done. We are going to keep them aside along with the ghee in which they were roasted. And now in the same pan, we have added jaggery or good. And to this jaggery or good, we are adding water. We have added 1/4 cup water for 1 cup jaggery. Now let us powder the 1/4 portion of the sesame seeds and peanuts that we had reserved. 3/4 of them we have kept as it is. Our jaggery is now totally done. It is dissolved in water. We have switched off the flame. And now we are adding the whole sesame seeds and peanuts that we had roasted. The cashew nuts along with the ghee in which they were fried. And 1/4 portion of the peanuts and sesame seeds roasted and powdered. Let us mix them very well. Now let us add cardamom powder. Mix well again. Let this mixture cool a bit. Then we can make the laddus. Now the mixture is cooled but it's still slightly warm. Warm enough to roll the laddus. So now let us begin to roll the laddus. Our laddus are soft but they will turn hard enough later on, but not so hard that you cannot bite or you'll damage your teeth. These are the perfect laddus. Soft enough but hard for a bite. Anyone can eat it, whether it is a toddler or an old person. These are absolutely delicious. Do try it out and let us have your feedback here. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you soon with another video. Bye. Take care.